welcome back to AJ Channel Newscast, where you get the latest news for a kid, from a kid. I'll be giving fun facts, highlighting an amazing woman, telling you what happened, what's new, and more. Sorry. Each week I plan to bring you a special guest. So make sure you subscribe and hit that like button so you won't miss it out. And also notification you when a new video's out. I'm so happy. I'm sorry. Hello. However, before I get started, and if you're new to my channel, let me introduce you to your host, Hollaway. I am 9 years old. I'm a model, dancer, gymnast, influencer, author, actress, designer, and more. That's right, I'm a author. Sorry, I'm like, what am I again? I'm an author. You can buy my latest book at Target, Amazon, Walmart, and even the library. Well, we know it's at my library. We don't know about your library. And more. AJ's Amazing Adventure Penguin Pooh Bear Dance. Let me repeat that one more time. AJ's Amazing Adventure Penguin Pooh Bear Dance. Make sure to follow me on all of my social media, AJ's channel. Do you know what time it is? I love this time. Hey, hey. I'm happy alone if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy alone if you feel like a room without a roof. Why is it annoying to eat next to basketball players? Because they dribble all the time. No, you don't get it? How you don't get it? You are so meh. I would like to tell you about another amazing woman I'll be highlighting this week, Athea Gibson. She was born on August 25th, 1927 in Silver, South Carolina, USA. She started playing tennis when she was just a child. At the age of 12, let me just make sure. She actually became New York City woman paddle tennis champion. Oh my God. And in 1941, she entered and won her first tournament. Woo, 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 woo. But she's most known for the first African American to win Grand Slam tennis event. Woo, 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 woo. She is amazing. It's finally here. That girl Lele will be on tour this summer. I missed her this year, but I won't miss her I missed her last year, but I won't miss her this year. Go check out it. I'm so happy. Sorry. It's gonna be so fun. Go to her page on Instagram at ThatGirlLele. Royal Z and Zoe Fierce is having a giveaway to the Museum of Illusions. Here how you can win 4 tickets. 1, follow her sister, and the museum at Dear Zaria, Zoe Fierce, and Museum of Illusions, Atlanta, on Instagram. 2, go to Dear Zaria's page or Zoe's page. 3, tag 3 friends in the comments that you want to bring. Do it now. It's gonna be so fun. I hope you win, and if you win, invite me. You know I can't miss out on nothing. It's the favorite time of the day. It's the favorite time of the day. Okay, that's enough for me. It's joke time. What did the house wear? I can't hear you. Address. No? Well, here I can explain it. Address. You get it? No, you still don't get it. Why don't you ever get it? Okay. My special guest is from New Orleans, Louisiana. We were able to meet in person at a music video shoot for Kingsmore in Atlanta, Georgia. He was also one of the few people who performed at our back to school event. He's a host, actress, dancer, model, kid influencer, CEO. That's a lot. And that's what he also always be coming with that grip. Drip. Now do the drip dance. Now do the drip draft. I'm drippy. He drippy. Everyone drippy. I'm sorry. I want to introduce Lil Prince Charmin. How old are you?
I'm 11 years old, but I'll be 12 in June.
Happy early birthday.
Thank you.
When did you first start in the entertainment industry?
I started hitting stages when I was 4 and started writing at 9 and recording at 10.
That is very, very young. We know that most artists have a team. Who is all in your team?
Let's just say my mama is the head of my team.
My mom is too.
It's nice.
How is the music industry in New Orleans?
We got a few heavy hitters that came out of New Orleans, like Lil Wayne, Cash Money Records, No Limit Records. Rob 49 is pretty hot right now, and me, Lil Prince Charmin.
That is awesome. Who is your stylist? Cause you always be coming out with the drip.
Well, I've been my stylist since I was little, but my mom always helped me stay on budget.
My mom always made me do it too. What is the biggest platform you have performed on?
The biggest platform I performed on was Miller Theater for the James Brown 86th birthday bash. I was 6 years old and a special guest for Bootsy Collins and his lovely wife, Peppermint Patty. And I get to celebrate my idol, James Brown.
That is like applause.
Thank you.
How many songs do you have out now?
I released 3, and I'm still in the lab cooking up some.
I can't wait to hear them.
Thank you.
How can someone listen to your music or watch your videos?
They can hear my music on all streaming platforms at Lil Prince Charmin, and they can follow me on all social media platforms at Lil Prince Charmin. That's LIL, and Charmin is without the G.
So, y'all, like, go to his platform, go to his, and follow him. And how's it making the music video?
It's really fun. I get to tell the director my ideas, and actually this Saturday I'm gonna be filming a music video for my new single, Lil Get It.
I'm definitely gonna check that out when that's out. It's gonna be, I promise. I already know it's gonna be popping.
Thank you.
What's more fun, recording the song or making the music video?
I've been making a music video because it's really fun. I get to hear my music loud, and I get to dance, and I get to be creative.
What is your favorite part about dancing?
It has to be the audience's energy, because I make feel-good music, and they can really feel the energy in the music, and I'll continue to spread love and unity through my music and dance.
I like listening to all your songs, and I love them.
Thank you.
Do you have anything coming up, and do you want to tell everyone something?
Yes. So this Friday, I have I'm performing at the Jazz Fest on the Bayou. Um, it's May 3rd, and it's also on James Brown's birthday, so I gotta be paying tribute to him. So happy early birthday to the Godfather Soul, and also my birthday on June 8th. So if anybody wants to come, just send me a DM. I'll tell y'all the details.
Can you tell them right now? Cause I bet they would.
Still working on it, but definitely just send me a DM and I'll tell you everything that we know then.
And y'all better go send him a DM right now. I'll give you countdowns. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you tell everyone how they can follow you on like Instagram, Facebook?
Yeah, you can follow me on all social media platforms at Lil Prince Charmin. That's Lil, and Charmin is without the G.
You got that, so go follow him right now. And I promise you are gonna love his posts, pages, everything.
Thank you.
Well, that's all I'm gonna interview. Thank you, and go check out some of his videos and stuff. I already said go follow him on all platforms at Little Prince Charming without the G. So that's all it. Thank you for letting me interview you.
You're welcome. Happy to be here.
Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.
All right, I'm out.
Okay, guys, that's all the news for this week. Thanks for watching. You guys do not want to miss my special guest I'll have next weekend. I love this part of my show where you, me, all my interviews. You get to watch my interviews. Oh my God. I'm messing up my words. I'm so happy. Where you watch the interviews and I interview people. I love interviewing people. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you won't miss a video. Make sure to follow me on all of my social media. Well, make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and all my other accounts. Ages Channel, Amazon, Ages Closet LLC, Ages Closet Angels. And guys, I also have a new page out on Instagram. It's called Ages Channels News. It's where you get all the latest stuff about where you even know what kind of I keep on messing up my words. I'm too happy. What kind of special guests? You can even put in comments. What kind of blazer do you think I'm gonna be? And we'll even keep you posted. Well, guys, that's all the news for this week. Thank you. I'll see you next week. Have a great day. Peace out. Pa.